Now we are going to learn a email marketing tool. It can be used as a email marketing for your sales marketing, sales management, customer relation management, as well as for your marketing management. We can use one single software for marketing, sales, as well as for a customer relationship or service management. That is nothing but a HubSpot. HubSpot. It's a pre also it is there, and the paid also is there. We'll learn pre version. Some of the tools are not available in a pre version, but the 70 to 80% of the tools which are required for the startups are there in a HubSpot. So we'll start with the HubSpot. Just we have to go to browser and type HubSpot. Okay, you will get a HubSpot.com. Go to HubSpot.com. First, we have to register. We have to register for the HubSpot.com. How to get register? We have to use here get HubSpot free. Get HubSpot for the free. Just select that one, HubSpot for the free. Now it will start get started free. Here we have to select not get demo. We have to select the get started free. Select that one. It will check your browser for HubSpot, is it supportive or not. Once it has been checked, it will ask you to sign in. Okay, you have already a Google account, so that directly you can sign in with a Google account. Otherwise, you can create an account by using a name, last name, email address, and you have to create a password. We'll sign in with the Google account itself. We have already Google account, so sign up with the Google. Now it is asking which Google account you would like to provide. Give that email address. Next, it will ask a password of your Google account. It will initialize your account. Now it is asking for some of the setups, like which industry you are belongs to. I will say education, or we can say business management. It's not there. Okay, we'll take up education itself. Then continue. Company domain. If you have a company domain, you can give the company domain. Okay, if you need to have a company domain, otherwise you will not be able to get it. Okay, when you are using this particular software, we need to give the company domain. You already created a domain, so we'll give that one. Or we can use domain hits here itself. Okay, we can create a domain. We can create a domain by using a whichever the domain you would like to give that particular domain, and name of the company. Like this, we can create a domain and name of the company. This domain is for your HubSpot account. Then it will ask a detail about your company, how many people are there in a company, then what field do you work in, Which of the following best describes your role? Which of these sounds most like you? You can give the I never used, or if you are first time you can give this one. Okay, if you are new to the HubSpot you can give this one. Okay, if you are knowing something about a HubSpot, then you can use this one. If you say this one, it will give in detail about a tool it will take. Now account has been created. Okay, you can select the choose a demo. Okay, it will start give the demo about a software for the marketers. If you selected start interactive demo, it will start giving a, okay, let's go like this.